Velcro, invented by Georges de Mestral in 1955. Inspired by burrs that stuck to his clothes during a hike, de Mestral developed a fastener that mimicked this natural mechanism. Velcro consists of two strips, one with tiny hooks and the other with loops. When pressed together, they create a strong reusable bond. From clothing to space travel, Velcro has become a versatile and essential tool, all thanks to de Mestral's observation of nature. And there you have it, the fascinating origins of 10 everyday items that have become integral to our lives. From the safety pin to Velcro, each invention tells a story of necessity, creativity, and innovation. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more intriguing stories behind the things we often take for granted. Thanks for watching.